PP monoblock pumps manufactured by Sujal Engineering are used to relocate or circulate acid, chemicals, and corrosive liquids. The design of the PP pump and motor has been compacted to minimize space. Monoblock pumps are economical and easy to operate. These PP monoblock pumps are excellent in performance and have minimal maintenance and almost no vibrations. This pump is installed effortlessly and is of incredible durability. Technical parameters. Type centrifugal polypropylene monoblock pump. Capacity up to 60 cubic meters per hour. Head up to 50 meters. Pressure up to 5 kilograms per square centimeter. Size 25 millimeters to 75 millimeters. Speed up to 3,500 RPM. Temperature up to 70 degrees Celsius. MOCPP PVDF. Application: corrosive liquid handling. Pharmaceutical industries. Dyes and pigment industry. Effluent treatment. Fertilizer plants. Paper and pulp industries. HCl acid handling. Caustic soda plants. Thermal and atomic power plants. Scrubbing process. Electroplating. Steel rolling mills.